guys are probably wondering why Stacy and myself decided to go with this foam for our forms for our concrete. Basically, if you're new to ICF, these are a styrofoam type of form instead of using your traditional concrete forms. And then you'll be pouring your concrete in the center, and these actually stay on, okay? So the reason why we went with these blocks is because it has a much higher R value than just concrete alone or cinder blocks. We want to keep the inside of this room as cool as possible. Another thing about this styrofoam is that it doesn't really leach the water, right? So if you do get water on the exterior, it won't really penetrate. That's why they make your coffee cups out of styrofoam. It won't really penetrate into the inside. We will still be putting a barrier around the outside, so stay tuned for that video, especially down at the foundation where they both meet. And just giving you a few reasons why we use this. Once you develop your pattern, it's so easy to put together and to stack. It's really strong, and it's really going to keep the temperatures cool inside the root cellar, which is the main goal. If you can keep your temperatures around 43 to 50-ish degrees, you're going to get the most life out of the vegetables that you work so hard during the summer to grow. And then after you place your corner, then you're going to brace it with a short corner piece on the inside. And a long corner piece on the outside. Basically what these clips do is they hold the rebar in place and also firm up the forms so they don't blow out. And also these flat surfaces, if you're going to be doing any interior work on your foam, this will give you a place to run screws if you're hanging a picture, if you're hanging drywall or anything like this, all the way up the wall. That's why it's important that you keep these clips in a straight line all the way down your forms, so that way when you go to do it, you'll know when you hit one that they run exactly straight up. Sometimes some guys get in there and they're kind of sloppy and they jigger them all around. There's one over here, one over here, one over here, one over here. You want to keep them in a straight line all the way up and down. Now this isn't really a how to use insulated concrete form video, but I'm just giving you guys a few tips. And at the end of this video series, we're going to have packages together for you guys. If you want to build something like this, we're going to send you over to Greg's website, and then he's going to be able to set you up with a package that will be delivered right to your door. And then we have, it has like consulting, or he can walk you through the process and stuff like that. So that might be pretty valuable for some of you guys out there who want to get your own root cellar going. Or if you just want to build a house with a very temperature controlled basement that you can use for a root cellar, or even just living space. They've actually even built houses out of ICF now. That is a wrap. We are 4 foot high on the walls. They're going to be 8 feet high. Stay tuned for the rest of that, and then we'll be filling them with concrete, and then the roof is even going to be concrete, which will then be the platform or the floor for the Learning Center. So I want to thank everybody who's getting t-shirts, because that's what's helping fund the Learning Center. And of course we can't start the Learning Center until I have a foundation. So once we get that going, and if you guys keep buying the t-shirts, that's what we're using 100% of those proceeds for, is to get the Learning Center up and running. If you got any questions about this build, leave them down in the comment section below. Don't forget, you can check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. We'll be in Hannibal, Missouri, August 12th and 13th for the Homesteading Live Conference. Right after that, we'll be in Santa Rosa, California for the Heirloom Expo. So if you're on the West Coast and you want to hook up with us, we'll be speaking there. We're on some panels. It's a really good time. It's in Santa Rosa. You can go to rareseeds.com or type in Heirloom Expo in your Google pants. And then right after that, in October, we'll be off at the Homesteaders of America conference in Virginia. You can go to homesteadersofamerica.com, get your tickets. They're selling fast. And so we have a few more spots. You guys can catch us out on the road this year, but pretty soon fall will be upon us, and then winter, and I still have to get my wood put up. All right, I gotta go. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the next one. And if you haven't been here before, hit the subscribe button. And if you have been here before, make sure you give us a thumbs up.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. You might want to check out these videos.
And if you want to become a Homestead homie, click the picture of us below.
We will see you tomorrow.